Hello, welcome back. Um, so what I'm doing right now is I'm updating the lab because there's a few things that are kind of annoying me on here, and they're things that can be easily updated because I kind of want to use this first page for a few of the next tutorial videos. So we're going to be applying some JavaScript to some of these forms down here. But anyways, it's like later right now. I just need to get this updated to where it's more easily navigated because I don't want to be like I don't want to scroll to the right and to the left using this bottom bar. I don't want to use that the entire time. That's kind of annoying. Um, and also, if I take it off, this like moves all the way to the left here behind this nav bar. And so we're going to be fixing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this bottom bar first. I don't want to be using that the entire time. So we're going to take that off right here. If you've been following along and you've built a lab similar to this for the tutorial so far, then go ahead and update it with me. So let's see. Style equals overflow auto. I'm just going to delete that. Save here. Refresh. No, we don't have... Oh, hold on. We still have it. But that's because of the page size, I think. Let's see. No, it's still there. Hold on one second. Let's see. So take that off. Save. Style, margin left, 120 pixels. Okay, so we've successfully taken that off. So now, let's get this organized. This stuff down here does not have any sort of organization. So I'm going to be putting it all in a table. It's going to be easier to get everything organized. So we're going to go into our Sublime. And then down to where we have the first thing to shove into a box. So that's going to be text gradient. Text gradient, where are you? So you could, quick shortcut, if you're using Sublime, you could do Control plus F. And then like, let's see. Oh, I should have gotten the text box with text box to put in some text here. Hold on. It's not showing me the text box, but it's accepting the input, so I'll take it. So I'm gonna be typing in text gradient there. So like control find on any web page, you could also do that in Sublime. Text gradients right there, and then another one right there. Let's put these in a table. Table row, and then table cell. And now we're going to be closing this table cell. We got that in the cell. Let's put this in a table cell. Close it off. There's the table cell. Let's see, I think I'll do like let's do it like 3 by 3. 3 by 3 or 2 by 2. 3 by 3 is fine. Let's do 3 by 3. So another cell here. Let's see, we got an iframe. We got the iframe here for another tutorial channel right there. So we're going to put that in a cell. Okay, and now let's close off the table row. So we've got 3 right there. Close off the table row. And then here, let's start a new table row. And then let's put this form in a table cell. TD. Field set, and then down here, close off the table cell. Okay, so that's one. Let's do another one here. Table cell for that form. Close off the table cell for that form. Good job. Another table cell for this form. Close it off down here. Another table cell for this form. Close it off over here. Oh, you see this? We have one too many table cell ends. So, good to find that while we're editing. Let's delete the extra one. Okay, so that's 3. Let's close off the table row. And now we're going to go table row again. And table cell. Welcome to the cell games. Close off the table cell. Open another table cell. Close off the table cell. It's one form right there. Excuse me. Table cell, text area. Okay, open up a new table cell here. Close it off here. I think that's 3. Let's see. Yeah, that's 3 for that one. So we're going to close off that table row now. I open a new table row. I go table cell. There's some landscaping going. Close off that table cell. There's another form. Table cell. Close off the table cell. Open a new table cell. Close off the table cell. Open a new table cell. Table cell. Close off the table cell. So let's see, is that 3? I think I might have gone over. Yeah, I definitely went over on this one. So we've got table row. There's 1. There's 2. Trying to talk over to the grass cutter here. There's, okay, so let's see. There's 1, 2, 3. And then we can close off the table row right here. Start a new table row. Okay, there's 1, 2, 1, a 2, a 3. Close off the table row right here. It's a 1. Ah. Feel like Count Chocula here. Close off the table row. Open up a new table row. Table cell. And then close off table cell. Table cell. Close off table cell. Table cell. Close off table cell. And we just keep making cells, so let's see. It's a prison. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we can close off the table row right here. Open up a new table row. Table cell. Close off table cell. We just keep going until we have the desired amount. And we'll just keep building more tables with cells. So, TD, close it off. Open up a new one. Close off the table cell. Open up a new, close off that table cell. Open up a new table cell. And info type, subnet blank, subnet to a window tab, form. Admin. Oh, I think we're missing something on this one. Look at that. We're missing form. We need that form in there. Okay. And then that's a closing form. And that table cell. Oh, that table cell needs a little friend over here. Oh, let's give him a friend. Okay, so I think I went over on this one too. So we got table row, we got table cell 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna close off the table row here. Open up a new table row. And we've got 1, 2, 3, and that's the end of it. Okay, so save that, refresh. Okay, that's good. So now we have everything aligned correctly here. Now, this is still a bit to the left. We're going to be pushing it over. How do we accomplish that? Well, pretty simple. This is a table, so all we have to do is add an extra empty space on this side to push it over to that side. So we're going to add another table cell to the left of this to push this over to the right. And that sidebar, you can see it only appears when the screen is too small to display everything. So that's good, that's what we want. Let's go ahead and add in the extra row or extra cell. So at the beginning of the table row, on each table row, we're going to be doing TD, close TD, and let's do that. I'm going to copy that, and at the beginning of every table row, I'm going to add in the extra cell. So let's see, up here, add in the extra cell, table row, extra cell, I think I went up too far. Let me check. Refresh. Okay, so we pushed it over, although not far enough. It's not far enough. Now let's check out the CSS for this table here. Okay, so I'm going to do a table here. I add in some CSS. I'm going to margin left. Let's say 30 pixels. Now I pushed it over a little bit. Let's do a little bit more. Margin left 100 pixels. Save that. Okay, so we almost got it to where we want it. Now I just want it to display a little bit more space there. Let's do 120 pixels. Okay, perfect. So this is popping up here, and the reason why it's doing that is because there's not enough space to display everything. Because of how the page is set up, it's not like it's not responsive. Now this is responsive to the space available, but the page itself is not responsive to where it will like shrink everything down. Now we've made the nav bar responsive, and we made the images responsive, but you can see how the forms, like the size for the form elements, they don't really change, do they? So we haven't made the forms responsive. We also made that text responsive. So the only thing that's affecting it to where it's showing this scroll bar on the bottom is the forms, because the forms are not currently responsive to the page size. So we'll be learning how to do that too in a later tutorial. That's all the update I wanted. That's all the updates I want to make for right now, and I will catch you later today on the next tutorial. Bye.